Let's see how we can publish article from our LinkedIn account. So to do that, at first we have to log in our LinkedIn account, then select here Home tab, then go to Write Article section. At first we have to write down the title of our article. Okay, well, then we have to write our content here. Okay, after writing down the content, if we want, we can add bullet from here. Just need to simply select the text and click here. Okay, if we want, we can bold any sentence. Just need to simply select the sentence and click here bold. If we want, we can make it italic. Okay, well, but if we want, we can also add hyperlink to any of our sentence. Just need to simply select the sentence, click here add link. Just need to simply paste the link, then click here apply, and here you can see the link is added here. Okay, so after doing all of this thing, then the last thing we need to add cover image for that article. So to add cover image, you need to select here upload from computer, select the image, if we want, we can edit by clicking on this pencil icon, then click here next. Now we have almost done. Okay, then we have to click here next tab, then here is, if we want, we can write down the summary thing of our article. So just need to simply click here and write your headline, then click here simply publish, and your content will be published.